So range of motion, we achieved extension in the first week. This is important for me and all my athletes, but I've found the best way to achieve this is to use the strap as shown. She's going to apply a counter force with her left hand to keep her thigh in contact with the plinth and then pull back on her foot and get that heel pop. I want them to really feel that heel pop because this is going to come into play as we're doing quad setting and looking for active heel pop. Um, and she achieved that the first week, and then we moved into knee flexion. So she was able to get to 90 degrees within the first week. That's also one of our very standard goals. I wanted her to demonstrate terminal knee extension at heel strike before she came off the crutches, which is right around week 2. And then I wanted her to perform an active heel pop. So doing a quad set, getting the heel lifted from the plinth without the strap, that's the heel pop, and then do a straight leg raise. So again, that was also achieved by week 2.